Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know, in our last video, we have worked on how to implement conversion API through a WordPress backend. So you have already seen that video and you know how we can implement that conversion tracking. And in today's video, I will let you know, we will again going to that particular events, like how they are working, whether the conversion tracking is working fine or not. If we are able to track the exact value through the backend or not. So everything will be discussed in today's video, so that we will be sure, yes, this method is working for implementing the conversion API through WordPress backend. So all this will be discussed in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. So for doing that, first of all, we just need to go to our event manager section. You just need to go to the all tool section and click on the event manager. Then it will redirect you to this dashboard. And in this dashboard, you will see all the tags which will be automatically created through the conversion API, like page view, view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, view category, purchase, I added payment info, and GTM as well. So as I have checked, every all the events are working fine, but yeah, there is one event, initiate checkout, that is taking some time. So we have worked on that as well. But and as you can see, on the way. So I think in 12 to 24 hours, this event will also starting working properly and giving us the correct data. Right now it is not, because there is some technical glitch. Basically, when we connect a backend directly with the Facebook ads account, so it will take some time to gather all the information, and it will take some time to make that connection between both the backends. So as you can see, all other events have making the connection, so there is no error in all the other events. But yes, in initiate checkout there is an error, but this is not an error, this is just taking time. And I think in 12 to 24 hours, this will also resolve automatically. You don't need to do anything else. As you can see, basically we need to use the purchase event, because this is the main action which we need right now. And as you can see, there is no error in it, and that is why we are able to track the correct sales, in the Facebook ad dashboard. So it means our events are working fine. And let's see what kind of conversion value we got from this. And you need to, whenever you need to check the sale working correctly or not, the event manager, you need to first go event manager. If events are working fine, you just also need to check whether the sale are coming in the back end of the website or not. And you need to check the conversion value there as well. So as you can see, now we have choose this option, purchase and purchase value, because I need to know whether the purchase, what kind of purchase value we have got. Like we have got one sale and the purchase value is $18.99. As you can see, this is our purchase value. So now how we can check that in the backend of the website? You just need to open the website backend, like WordPress website backend, and here there are multiple options. You just need to go to the WooCommerce, and in the WooCommerce section, you can go to the order section. And once you click on it, it will redirect you to the dashboard where all the orders info are coming. It will take some time, and as you can see, now we have all the order information. And as you can see, 10 hours ago, $18.99 sales has gained. So this is the sale which we are talking about. It means we are tracking the correct data, and our conversion API is working because we got a sale and the sale is coming in the backend as well. We have double checked the conversion value as well. It means our method of implementing the conversion API through the WordPress backend is working fine. So this is how you can also double check your conversion tracking if you see any kind of error in it. And I think every time this method worked for me, but if there is some error which you are getting from your end, you can definitely contact me to the number flashing on the screen, so that I will guide you how you can make the changes in them and make it correct. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.